In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and copy a Vimeo profile link. Whether you're a content creator looking to share your work, or perhaps you're just needing it for networking purposes, knowing how to accurately share your Vimeo profile can come in handy. So let's dive straight into it. First, we're going to tackle this process on a desktop. Open up your web browser and head over to vimeo.com. From here, you'll need to log in using your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, make sure to create one, as accessing your profile is essential for this tutorial. Upon logging in, you should notice a distinctive profile icon located at the top right corner of the Vimeo homepage. Go ahead and click on that icon. This little icon is your gateway to all the personal settings you might need to customize or manage your Vimeo experience. Now, after clicking on your profile icon, a drop-down menu will appear presenting various options. From this list, you're going to choose Settings. Selecting this option takes you directly to your account settings, where you can manage everything from your account preferences to privacy controls. Here lies the next important step in our journey, navigating to Profile and then General. This navigation path will lead you directly to your profile settings page. It's a hub where Vimeo allows you to fine-tune the details you want the world to see about you. Now, once you find yourself on your profile page within the settings, you're almost there. Scroll down gently to find the Vimeo URL address field. This is the magic spot where you'll find the link you're looking to share. It's important that you ensure the URL is correct and points directly to your profile. If you see any customization options or your username in the URL, it makes a nice touch and ensures that those visiting remain on your personal profile and not redirected somewhere else. Finally, what's left to do is to copy that URL. Highlight the entire link in the address bar by double-clicking it or dragging your mouse across it, then right-click and select Copy, or simply use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+C if you're on Windows or Command+C for Mac. And there you have it, your Vimeo profile link is now ready for sharing wherever you need, social media, emails, or any other platforms where you wish to promote or share your video talents. Thanks for watching this quick tutorial. I hope you found it easy to follow, and I encourage you to practice it a few times to get comfortable with the process. If you have any questions or need further guidance, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful videos like this one.